Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have something exciting for you. Are you ready to learn some daily use English sentences that will make your conversation smoother and more natural? Well, you have come to the right place. So, let's start. 1. Good morning. Next. Good day to you, sir. Next. He is still not well. Next. Well done. Keep it up. Next. I will call you later. Next. I will catch you soon. Next. Please give me your hand. Next. Get out of my sight. Next. I did not understand. Next. What do you mean? Next. What are you talking about? Next. Could you stay away from my stuff? Next. I am sorry. Next. I am feeling tired today. Next. It's none of your business. Next. I don't know. Next. We both like each other. Next. Come quickly. Next. Talk to you later. Next. Thank you very much. Next. What is your problem? Next. Can I ask you something? Next. It was nice meeting you. Next. How are you? Next. What is going on? Next. What are your likes and dislikes? Next. Sorry for the inconvenience. Next. What can I do for you? Next. Will you please help me with this? Next. This is not a joke. Next. Stop kidding. Next. What is happening here? Next. Everything is fine. Next. Did you get my point? Next. What do you want from me? Next. How old are you? Next. Where is your office? Next. Get ready to go to school. Next. I will try my level best. Next. Are you joining us? Next. I am very pleased to meet you. Next. You are my responsibility. Next. This is not fair. Next. What are you doing today? Next. Please say something. Next. I will come again. Next. What would you like to have? Next. Thank you for inviting us. Next. It's my pleasure. Next. Thank you for the advice.